Italy, a country that's got it all. Stunning canals, world-class art, mouth-watering food, and dreamy coastal views. If you're visiting for the first time and want the perfect mix of adventure, culture, and relaxation, this 5-day itinerary is all you need. Let's go. Day 1. Welcome to Venice. Start your day with a gondola ride through the Grand Canal. Yes, it's touristy, but it's a must-do. Next, explore St. Mark's Basilica, one of the most breathtaking churches in Italy, and climb the Campanile for epic city views. Walk across the iconic Rialto Bridge and grab some cicchetti, Venetian tapas, at a local Baccaro. End the day by getting lost in the city's quiet back streets, because in Venice, getting lost is part of the magic. Day 2. Hop on a train to Bologna, Italy's foodie paradise. Start at Piazza Maggiore, the city's historic heart, and climb the Arsenelli Tower for insane views. Now, the best part. Food. Try authentic tagliatelle al ragù and stop by Quadrilatero Market for some local cheese and cured meats. Day 3. Next stop, Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Start at the Duomo. This masterpiece is impossible to miss. Climb to the top of the dome for jaw-dropping views. Then, head to the Accademia Gallery to see Michelangelo's David up close. Seriously, it's a masterpiece. Grab a panini at the famous Olantico Vinaio before walking across the stunning Ponte Vecchio. Day 4. Time for a quick stop in Milan, Italy's fashion capital. First, check out the massive Milan Cathedral. Climbing to the rooftop is a must. Then, take a walk through the glamorous Galleria Vittorio Emanuele for some window shopping. If you can, book in advance to see Da Vinci's Last Supper. It's an unforgettable experience. Wrap up the day with an aperitivo in the trendy Navigli district. Day 5. Ending the trip on a high note. Welcome to Cinque Terre. This UNESCO-listed coastline is straight out of a postcard. Explore the 5 charming villages: Riomaggiore, Manarola, Vernazza, Coniglia, and Monterosso. Hike the famous Blue Trail for breathtaking views, or take a boat ride along the coast. And of course, don't leave without trying fresh seafood and the region's famous pesto pasta while watching the waves crash on the shore. The perfect way to wrap up an epic Italian adventure. A direct flight from India to Venice takes around 10 to 16 hours. Airlines such as Qatar Airways, Emirates, Turkish Airlines, and Indigo operate these routes. Fares typically begin at rupees 40,000 to 90,000 and can vary based on factors like travel dates, booking time, and airline choice.
Explore Neo to get unbeatable prices on visas, flights, discounts on activities, and much more. Download Neo today.